we are going to demystify AI and talk about practical ways that you can make your business better with it as a tool. I have been using it for quite a while now, and if you are a creator or small business owner who makes and ships their own products, this is a video that you're going to want to stick around for. It's going to help a lot. Oh, and one last thing, if you stick around to the end of the video, I've got a surprise for you. Let's talk about what I actually built. So what I've got here is a software that's running just on a web browser and a bunch of barcodes. And for every product that I sell, like this one, I need to have different packaging inserts. I have to have a thank you. I have to have a little instruction sheet that looks like, hold on, looks something like this. And for all of those of you who are in product sales, you understand the problem of when you get a large portfolio of products that all have their own custom inserts with maybe some of them shared like thank yous or little, here's a 10% off coupon. That becomes a lot to manage. There's really only two options. One, going on your computer and printing off the exact packing slips you need for every single order, or number two, printing all of them out and having them on a wall that you can pull from as you're doing your packing. My question was, can I actually make a system that uses barcodes that I generate for specific products and a scanner that allows me to scan the product that I'm about to ship and then have it automatically print the labels that are required across a different set of machines with different sizes every single time? And the answer was 100%, I bet you I can do it. And sure enough, I did. Now, let's be very clear, I don't know how to code. I learned Python for a little while after I got laid off from COVID, but I really don't know how to do any of what I'm about to show you. This is where AI comes in. I was able to articulate and work with AI to develop a software that's custom for my business, but generic enough that I could share with all of you. So here's how it works. This custom application allows you to set up your printers on your network. It allows you to add custom inserts that are associated with different printers and the sizing of them, and also can have tags and the images you'd like to use. And then it has all of your products. Each one of these has any number of associated inserts that go with it. So if you have some that are shared, you can do that. It generates a barcode, and then once you have a product set, you can actually export a barcode sheet that looks something like this. So now, as long as you have your barcode scanner hooked up, all you have to do is go to the scan menu, click this, grab your barcode, scan the product that you need product shipping items for, and voila, they appear right at the ship station. Honestly, it is mind-boggling how cool you can actually make this and custom to your own needs. Before I hear some of you in the comments typing away furiously saying, Chris, this software already exists, you're probably right, but here's the difference. I've worked in large businesses in corporate and worked with some big companies, and a lot of these types of softwares are only accessible to enterprise clients and cost thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Tools like this have never been accessible to small business owners, particularly one-man shops or lady shops, and now they are. You can build exactly what you need and deploy it locally on your own server, no having to do anything on the internet or paying for subscriptions, except for maybe a subscription to the AI tool that you're going to build it with. But once you're done building it, you can just use it. It doesn't cost anything. You don't need AI. You can use AI to build the tools that help you run your business that don't require AI. And I think that's the piece of the conversation a lot of people are missing. If you're a small business owner and you're not using AI already, I'd actually really encourage you to do that. It's not hard. Just sign up and start asking questions to it and learning. A great place to learn is here. I have been nonstop thinking about new ideas. Like, this is one of many pieces of software that I've written, and I am starting to put guides on my website that show you how to do this. Not only show you, but the guides are actually a prompt guided system that you can copy and paste the correct prompts into the AI tool, and one after another, if you follow the sequence, it will build the exact software. It will look a little bit different and you can customize it to your own business, but it will build the software that we just walked through for you that you can run on your own computer. It's great. It's so cool. Now, I did promise a little secret and surprise at the end, so if you made it this far, you can use this code that's on screen, so I'm not gonna say it, but this code right here. First 3 people to use that coupon code on the guide in the description called Scan to Print for this exact software, we'll get it for free. I want you guys to use it. It's super cool. And I have more stuff like this coming down the road. So if you have questions about this software or others, please let me know. I'm learning a lot and I have so much to talk about. So yeah, please ask me questions. Before we wrap up, I just want to give you a quick rundown on where things are at in business. I am doing more and more production runs of these corner protectors and have more filament coming in. I've got about 2,400 more to make. And I also have the most complex production run ever that I have done, started for these automotive parts that I'll share more about, but they are a 2-day print on each one of my bamboo H2Ds. I always get that wrong and people tease me for it, which is fair. And every 2 days, I will have 8 full units off the printers and ready to ship to the customer. I got about 75 of those that I have to make, and overall, it is going crazy here. Just started a new partnership that I will be talking about down the road. If you need manufacturing services for your business, fulfillment services, batch run services, all different types of materials, just message me and we can talk and get in a conversation. If you want one-on-one coaching, I also offer that. It's on the website, you can check it out, and I've got mugs, a cool merch mug that you can buy too. Thanks to my Patreon supporters and all my YouTube supporters. It's been a crazy journey. The whole reason I launched this YouTube channel back in, man, when? 2 Novembers ago. That's crazy. We're coming up on 2 years of really doing this. But the whole point is to document my business journey in a very transparent and open way. And you guys have seen me pivot a little bit along the journey so far, and now things are cooking. And not only is it cooking in business terms, but it's also cooking down here. I did not plan on the heat that these ovens literally kick off during the summer. So yeah, it's getting hot. Which I guess is a great time to show you all of my cool little fans that I have on the ceiling. Got one there, and that one's off because I was recording. But either way, you get the idea. I'm just talking away now. I will see you guys in the next video. I have live streams at 3 p.m. Eastern on Wednesdays where you can kind of chat live with me and the community. It's a great time. And other than that, I'll see you on Shorts. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.